The Verum Luban bronze apron planes are just a joy to use. Really beautiful little 101 for that most delicate of work we're using. Or the 102 is almost the size of a block plane, so very similar work that we can be using that on. The bronze makes it weighty, so a little tiny plane, if you weren't careful, it'd be so light it would almost bounce all over the place, but the bronze adds weight. And also what it does, it means there's less chance of any sort of corrosion going on. A little tiny blade that's in there, slot in the blade so we can adjust him in and out for that finest of work. One of the guys that used to work for me would always take one of these with him to the timber yard, and when he was selecting his timber, he'd get the plane out and take a little bit off and just see the real colour of the timber. So a beautiful little plane. The bigger 102, this will be better perhaps for end grain work and that kind of work. Similar to the other one, the blade is bevel up. On the underneath we've then got ribs in there which connect onto the Type 3 adjuster for adjustment in and out. For both of them, a bit of a lateral adjustment, literally you are hitting or tapping or moving the blade left to right. I tend to undo the screw just half turn, so there's still some pressure holding the blade down. I tend to just push them across. Some people use a little tiny hammer just to tap, make sure you're tapping the blade and not the body. To look at more detail on our other low angle block style of planes, check us out on our YouTube channel. For more detail on these planes, look at us on Woodworkers Workshop, and also check us out on our social media.